Now we're all done. As we can see, new shingle. It's a good match. But unfortunately, once we rip the seals off, the other shingles around it got damaged. You see? Let's see where the shingles got damaged. So for replacing one shingle, we damaged 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Damaged 5 different shingles. Right here. So this, we can call it a repair that I failed. Repair was a fail. This will be just extending the damage on the roof. Another shingle's damaged. From this shingle that we replaced, all the rest of them get damaged. The seals get broken, and eventually with the time, it's just going to give us the same problem and the shingles will start flying away. Thank you for your